Today I'm hanging out in the outdoor kitchen. Look at that new pellet grill I got. Guys, I've been running this grill through the paces. I think it's a nice one. I want you to see it, see what you think about it, and find out if it's worth the money they're asking for it. And I tell you what, with the program they have running right now, I think ZGrills has got the most pit for the money, without a doubt. So let's take a look at this grill and see what I think about it. And who am I? I'm Chef Johnny, the ultimate beef-loving Texan. So let's take a look at this Z-Grill and see what's going on with it. It's a good-looking grill, guys. I'm liking it real well. So far, the cooks I've done on it's got a nice cabinet down below. We've got a ability to hang tools on the side. Nice, big, got edges on them. A good, sturdy shelf. The Z-Grills I had before did not have that shelf right there. That shelf is handy. This is a nice big grill. You can cook for a whole family on here. This big hopper will give you a close-up of it, but it will cook all day long. 3 racks, over 1,000 square inches of surface space in here to cook with. And guys, you can move those shelves around. They're not hard to get in and out. 3 nice big racks. Not using all 3 of them today. I'm just going to use the middle rack, I think. I'm going to put those on the middle rack. Top one, if you want to have pictures, take that one out. I may do that in a second, just so I can see better. Cooked up a brisket. I've cooked chicken on here. So far, liked all the cooks. I like the way it's performed. But that's the inside of it. Let's let it finish warming up, and we'll get those ribs on here and see how they turn out. A new PID controller. So they've upgraded their controllers. You can see it's easy to read, easy to handle. Anybody can use this grill. Great for the novice. This particular grill does not have anything that's Wi-Fi or anything like that. It's kind of a base model. I like it, but a big sturdy shelf. There's our drip container over here, storage, and a clean out in the back for our pellets. I'll show you that also. You can see in the back, here we go, pull this out. You see I've had a few cooks already in there. That's catching all the ash, so it's easy to clean this pit out. I'm liking the nice sturdy casters that are on here. Rolls around great here in my outdoor kitchen. No problems with that. The ash clean out drawer, that's fantastic also. Plenty of pellets, guys. You can cook for 24 hours. They say 28 hours, but I had a brisket on here the other day that we went about 16 hours on, so didn't have to refill any pellets. Using the pellets from Z-Grill. They're cherry pellets, and that's what I have in here today. Cooking up these ribs that I have on there, but I got some other pictures where there's not food on there where I can show you a little bit closer and not have so many hot spots in it, right? But I'm liking this. Plenty of storage in here, guys. Nice sturdy handle to hang your tools over there. It's nice, it's sturdy. You can get those on there, maybe a brush to clean it with, your tongs, what you need. And that shelf is wonderful. My other Z-Grill I had before did not have that shelf, and how I wish it did. That is a game changer, and you can sit a big 17-pound brisket on it, and it's not gonna bother at all. How do I know that? I had one on it the other day, and that's the way it is. But nice big hopper, a good-looking grill, put together right. New PID controller, giving it more accuracy, guys, and the crowdfunding. This is the most important thing here, guys. For their customers right now, if you buy a grill, they're gonna give you a new grill every 5 years for 50 years. You're gonna get 10 grills. So pick out the grill you want, make sure it's part of the program. And if you do, every 5 years, they're gonna send you a new one, and all you have to pay for is the shipping on that grill. So is this worth the money? Without a doubt, it is worth the money, because you're gonna get 10 grills over the next 50 years. This will literally be the last pellet grill you have to buy. They're gonna give you a new one every 5 years. So take care of it for 5 years, get a new one. Not a bad deal at all. I'm liking the way it cooks. It cooked a good brisket. It's cooked good chicken. These ribs are looking good. By the time I edit this, those ribs will be off, and I'll give you an idea of how the ribs turned out on here. But I think they're gonna be fantastic with the Z-Grills cherry pellets. But I'm liking it. I think you'll like it too. So there'll be a link below for you to check out. Check out Z-Grills, see what you think about them. And check and see if you'd like to get one of these grills every 5 years for the next 50 years. 10 new grills for the price of one. That's a pretty good deal. Thanks for stopping by. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I am Chef Johnny, the ultimate beef-loving Texan, and I'm liking this Z-Grill pellet grill.